pressure and then
spontaneous combustion.
Get off the porch. Get off the porch. You're gonna sit up here and walk on it. It's gonna keep moving.
Sit on the ground. You can see it more. Is it right on it?
Hate to not record all that much, but I'll put a date on it. I'll put a date on it too.
Here it goes. Is the door shut?
Should. There should be enough oxygen inside there.
Yeah,
inside that door.
No matter what, wait a half an hour before you go check it.
Yeah.
God, maybe I should have broke the cigarette in half.
You had a full cigarette?
It just went.
You just like the wick?
It was a dud.
No one had time to shut the door. Get over here.
Well,
He didn't want pieces of scrap.
I'm sure you'll hear
really
it.
wanna go
I want to play Full Metal Jacket halfway.
You should have moved the fridge around to see the front of it.
Glued us, taped it to the roof so it would blow out that whole intersection there.
Hope it didn't fall.
well how you gonna know if it's going to actually do it?
You'll hear something.
I know, you're gonna hear a boom! On TV, they're gonna probably see what that says.
Twice, 3 times a lady.
But it was his camera.
I'll give you 3 for the camera.
That'd be really wild. Flies open, hits old ugly in gear, swings over, smashes into the car.
That'd be worth video.
That would get the
That would be
$10,000.
Yes, it would.
Yeah, and then we get a new car.
Yeah?
And well, better too,
We
because
did.
I'm gonna need something for mine.
Freaking 95
We'd have win $100,000.
Mustang. Go open it, Chris. And Shirley! You need an refrigerator?
This one will have central
Yeah,
air when it's done.
You're right.
Nope. No defrosting that, babe.
Come on!
We're going over there and open it and see if...
Say what?
I'll open it.
Jesus! Hang on.
Oh my God.
Whoa, dude!
Look at that. Hey!
You say you're going to clean your fridge out. I didn't mean you...
Hey! Oh, even move back.
Look.
Bye, Lisa. Bye. Bye, dear. Bye, Kat.
Where's the door?
That was cool. Hey, where'd you tape it?
Right here.
There's some tape still up there.
Right there, right, taped it. Oops, sorry.
Oh, man, that's thick. Yeah.
Didn't even affect the window.
Man, that
Blew the fucking door. Oh, we got something still red over there, too.
Oh,
Jesus
you want to kill someone else?
where was it actually taped to?
Right there at the... Right here. Just
Don't
right
touch
there.
it.
Got a big dent in it.
I'll open it.